This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Yo guys, welcome to another vlog.
Yeah.
Mall of Africa. Check out
Waterfall
Mall of Africa.
Market. Always come every Sunday here, man.
Yeah, Waterfall Market, you know. Yeah.
You see, all of Africa, here we are.
Yeah, we're chilling today. Yeah.
Sunday chillers.
Sunday chillers. Hey. Yo, what's up? Hey, what's up, man? You feel yo. We had to check out Mall of Africa.
Oh,
Yeah.
where you from, my friend?
Yeah, from KZN.
Alright.
Nice, man. Where you from, man?
Well, born Eastern Transvaal, but living in Pretoria now.
Oh, nice, man.
Where
Yeah?
in KZN?
Newcastle. Okay, nice, man.
Favorite province?
Sure. Ooh. Check the weather. The weather is so nice. What bracket? Man-made. Man-made. Welcome to Mall of Africa, you know? Chilling like this. Yeah. And here's Guru. Guru, what are you doing, boss? Yeah? That's the limit to my voice. Don't forget to take a picture of yeah, you know, live performance. It's always a good thing to have on Sunday. Yo guys, I'm gonna check out the containers and see what they have, you know. So I just have to see what they have and what they offer. So let's get into it.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna start off with the things here. What do you call this container? That's where you get your boozy face out. You know, stuffed and tonic. And check that view there. Ooh. It's a very beautiful view. Okay, so on this stand you have your amarula here. Nice drinks there's here, and if you move on, start to get a couple of food, ice cream there. Hello, doggy. Yeah, I think here you have your tacos and stuff. Yeah, you have your burritos and tacos here. They're not bad, prices are okay. And that's your meat, your biltongs. Ooh. You know, it's a good place to walk and relax while you're having good food. There's Mojo Experience with a couple of burgers and dishes on the side. So you get tons of food here and you won't be literally missing anything. Like there's lots of foods here. Spicy Asian pizzas around here, you know. And we have Guru next year. What's up, Bob? How's it? Sharp. And you continue, yeah? And sushi bars or something there. They got all kinds of delicacies, sushis and stuff. And yeah, lovely people, good crowd. Let's keep checking what they have, man. There's a bit of donuts here. And your daily here. Maybe let's have a taste. Ooh.
Hello?
Hey, how's it? Is this hot?
No.
Not hot? Ah.
You like what?
Yeah, I just wanted to taste.
Oh, it's very nice.
It's very nice.
Yeah, your taste?
Oh, thanks. Ooh, so they gave us a taste a bit.
Hello?
Not bad. Yeah, not bad. Also, chicken is not hot, it's just chicken raw.
Yeah, it's very nice taste.
Okay. Oh, wow. Let me see how much cash I have. I don't know if I have cash. I think I have a card. Do you swipe?
Yes.
Give me one of these cakes again.
Which one? Wade.
What do you call them? Wade.
Wade.
I think I have a bit of cash. Let's can buy that. Oh, I don't want to give you my left hand. Thank you. Not bad. That's nice.
Thank you.
More food and more food and more food. And check the prices of the burgers. 80 rand because the other ones. Stage on this side. You have the stage on this side and you're still continuing, guys. Showing you all the nice stores to see here. I am having food. That's nice. Hey, how's it, guys? Good. I'm just checking. I'm checking some around the food and stuff.
These are results. Prawn, chicken, cheese and jalapeno results.
Oh, nice. How much they are?
15 rand.
15 rand.
But on special
Okay.
10 rand each.
10 rand each. Okay. I'm gonna check with the guys because I'm just looking around and after we decide what we're gonna eat. Yeah. And it's my first time being here. Yeah.
I've got roti rolls, that's veg.
Also same 15
That's
rand.
chicken, yeah, and that's pan rolls.
Oh, okay.
So 20.
Okay, nice. I'm gonna come around. I'm not checking everything until I decide what I feel like. But anyway, guys, have a great one. Ooh. See beef burger, chicken, lamb, and chips. Not as much expensive, but it's quite pricey. If you're expecting a shop price, but this is cool. Hey, how's it, brother? Good. How much are these pendants and stuff?
Those ones are 120.
120 each.
Yes.
Okay, I didn't expect it. And this one?
That is 280.
280. So, guys, if you want to come and buy a few pendants at Mall of Africa, you can get it here. This is the owner of the store. So come and get it, guys. Me, I'm just passing through and checking everything out. It's my first time here. I'm enjoying it. Yeah, look at that. And how much are the bags?
320 to 380.
320 to 380.
Pure leather though.
Oh, okay, cool.
Everything is
And the wallet also.
180 to 320.
Even this one, how much is this one?
295.
295. Okay, not bad. Yeah, nice, man. Check out your store. I hope everyone's gonna come and just buy stuff, you know? Oh, more drinks on the side, cocktails. They look nice. Oh, Mall of Africa is filled up with a lot of things, and it's nice to actually come here, check a bit of traditional heads and stuff. People are bringing them rasta around, and here's a bit of chilies here. So, how's it, guys? Is this chilies?
Yeah, you got the chilies from here. Alright.
Okay. So chilies from this side until the end.
Yeah. Got chilies in motor, all of them.
How much is a bottle each?
80 rand.
Adrian, okay, guys. When chilies come to Waterfall Market,
And then sauces.
yeah, and nice sauces. Oh, these are sauces and stuff.
Yeah, they're all and
Oh, so 50 rand each.
sauces. 80 rand.
80 rand. I think payday is going to be a good day to come here and actually enjoy this. Can I have a bit of a taste on one?
Go for it.
Thanks, man. Which one's the hottest?
You're going to go for a habanero.
Okay, let's have a brave taste. There it is.
You'll see it builds up nicely and the birds are chili.
This shit is not like, oh, it comes back. It's building up. So you said it's 80 rand each.
All of the sauces are 80 rand.
Cool, man. I should make a date with you next week. Payday is here. Can I have hit me with that hottest one? I enjoy it. No, I enjoy chili, you know. That's what I've been looking for.
Then you get the scorpion and then the garlic.
Oh. So those are the hottest we have.
Yeah, these are very, very, very hot.
This one.
Gives you a nice bird's eye kick.
Now, you know when you hear the tiny sound in your ears? That's how it is. Anyway, thanks for showing me around, man.
With pleasure, man.
Yeah, man. Unfortunately, today is not like, it's still January. February is coming.
Slow, man.
Yeah. I hope you get a few sales, man. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to pass around and check around. You know, I got good people here selling good merchandise. That hot sauce. Okay. Let me check my friend while I pass through the guy. While they perform here.
You everything I need and more. It's written all over you. Baby, I can feel it coming on. Know my feelings.
Stay by me. Oh, stay by me. Oh, stay by. Oh, stay by me.
I did.
Yo, guys, I hope you enjoyed Waterfall Market. It was happening. Yeah. Thank you very much. We've been dancing and singing and vocals.
Can I catch you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.